Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just says ho. I showed you an item that the good folks at Pinkzio sent me a couple of months ago, a little over a couple months. It's been probably 2.5 months ago. Anyway, I revealed this to you in a video and I linked all of the stuff down below, and I said to you guys I will be reviewing this little baby in 2 months. It's already here. I have been using this for, yeah, a little over 2 months now. It's all been about 2 months, guys, but I am going to talk just about, in this video, about IPL, which is Intense Pulse Light Therapy. There we go. I think I was calling it laser. It is kind of what we, older folks refer to as laser hair removal. Only you can do it in the privacy of your own home, and it is not painful. So I will tell you what comes in the box. The reason I'm doing this today, I know you guys saw me do a video yesterday, but it is the 3rd of July when you're watching this, the day that I post it. So tomorrow's 4th of July. They're having a huge blowout sale. Buy one, get one, girl, a BOGO. That means you can buy one, split the cost with your friend, and you and your buddy can get one, or you can buy one for yourself, gift one, buy one, get one for you, the hubby, you, your daughter, friend, whoever. I mean, that is a deal and a half. Buy one, get one free. Unheard of, right? Yes, girl. If you got a really hairy friend, I got a few. This is a great idea for birthdays. Save it for the holidays. It'll keep. But anyway, what comes inside the box? So I've already opened this up, and I'm currently using the unit. That's what she said. Boy, am I using that unit, girl. Anyway, it comes like this. When you turn it on, it'll have, I think there are 8 different settings that you can go up to on this particular unit. I am fair skinned, so there's a booklet that comes with it. It will tell you what setting for you to use if you are fair skinned, or you get a little bit sunburnt when you get out in the sun, whatever. So I am a type 1 because I am very, very pale. So I only use it on the first setting. This little button on the side, if it's flush with your skin, boom, you push that and then the light comes out. You can do it manually or it'll do it automatically for you. But it has to be, flush. The unit has to be flush with your skin for it to even, I mean, you're not gonna like blind yourself. But they also comes in the box. It also comes with these cool Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator type sunglasses, or ultraviolet glasses that doesn't let this damage your eyes in any way. So I do wear this every time I use the unit. God, she uses this unit so much. You already know, girl, you already know. Anyway, and you also get a razor. Because the unit itself, I read up on it. At first when I opened it and showed it to y'all, I did not know what the hell was going on. I didn't know anything. So I had to watch some videos. I, of course, read through the book. Yeah, it was an undergoing, I had an undertaking or whatever. I had to really go through it and figure out everything. But after you get the hang of it, boom. What I do is I get a shower, so I'm going to show you pictures against my better judgment, but of my underarm. So I've been treating this underarm or armpit for, like I said, over 2 months, 2 times a week. So I shave it, right? And then I shave the other one because I didn't treat this side. I wanted you to see the difference between, and I have let my hair grow out. Well, I've shaved it now, but I took the pictures a couple days ago and I knew I was going to post this weekend. Against my better judgment, again, I'm going to show you the pictures of my progress, what's happened on this side. on my left armpit as opposed to the right armpit, which I just shaved and did not use the actual IPL on it. So unit or whatever. So the Pinkzio IPL unit. I did not use it under this arm. So you can see, which I did not think it. I just went about my business. I haven't like done any progress photos. I haven't, you know, like, hey, you think I'm growing? I haven't done anything. The only thing was I asked my daughter, like, if I hold my arm up really high, take a picture of this armpit and take a picture of this armpit. And so she did that for me so I could track my progress and let you all see there really is less hair. Even my daughter was like, oh, wow. Well, first let me tell you how I use it. So I take a shower. I, of course, shave down both sides. And then when I got out, every single time, well, not every single time, but 2 times a week, say, you know, on a Tuesday and a Saturday, give it enough time in between. But I just go into and zap my underarm all over, just all over, guys. And then that would be it. That's the only part of my body that I have done. I am considering, because you can see from the photos, when I show you the photos, you can see the difference in, also not only did it help with the hair, like it really did, like my hair did not grow back as bushy as it did on this side, but also there's some discoloration under your arms sometimes, you know, just from, I guess, I don't really know why that is, but I noticed that this side where I treated the left side, there's less discoloration, so it's actually brighter. The skin is actually brighter there. So I have a little melasma on my face right here. I guess that's what you call it, like a little dark age spot. I'm gonna go in with it. I'm gonna try and try to get rid of that with this unit itself. So I don't know, but everything comes apart, you know. And then you just plug in, whoops, you just plug in the power source from here, and then you plug into the wall. So yeah, it's easy to travel with. It comes with this, like I said, handy dandy case, which makes it so easy to travel with. And also inside the case, you just could take your glasses and the unit itself, because it's got a really nice travel case, little suede like traveling case that you can put everything down in. Let me show you. So if you are traveling and you're going to be gone long enough where you have to use, or you want to use it, you can just stick everything in here and travel like that, and then put your little, wherever you put all your power cords, just stick that in there. I mean, I think it's very convenient and easy. So if you're going out of town for over a week and you're like doing twice a week, you don't have to miss out on your treatments. You can still keep up with them, but it is very pain-free. I thought that it was going to be like a very painful process, but it's not. It's kind of like, I think there's a sapphire technology to it, which is actually a cooling type sensation instead of, I really was scared at first because I thought, oh, this is going to be burning, because I remember my kid got laser treatments for acne scars that he had when he was little and when he was young as a teenager, and I could remember him like, I'd be in there with him with the glasses on, and he would wince and he would, you know, hold on, and it kind of hurt. So I knew from that experience, like, maybe this is not going to be the most pleasant, but guess what? It's fine. It did not hurt at all. And my daughter even tried it once, but she didn't keep up with it. So she said, I can't tell. And I'm like, well, yeah, because you only used it one time. But she didn't go under her arm, but she really like did her legs and like, it's got a counter on it, so it tells you how many times you zapped each area. Like if you want to be precise about it and, you know, zap one side 75 times and the other, you know, it'll keep a count on this little display. So that's kind of cool. I thought that was pretty neat. But overall, I actually am going to continue on, and now I'm going to try to do my legs, and I'll definitely have to start doing this other armpit. I am going to leave the link below in my description box. Get down there, get the link, go over to the Pinkzio website, use my promo code, especially use that, of course, because you'll definitely, I mean, don't just buy one. You can buy one before, this runs until July 5th, so Tuesday. Definitely get it today, tomorrow, or the next day Don't sleep on it, girl. If you're going to get it, if this is something you're into, definitely do the BOGO. That way you get 2 for the price of 1. I mean, my mama didn't raise no fool. I love a good damn deal. We love a what? A budget conscious friendly queen around here. We love a good deal. So I'm glad that they ran this promotion, and I'm glad that they allowed me. It just, the timing worked out so well from when I started it till it's time to post now. 2 months later, a little over 2 months. I'll put it all down in the box, guys. Coming up tomorrow, don't miss it. I have an unboxing over here, a Coach bag. Woo, hot girls, summer of savings. Me and Dawn, we're going to show you what we bought together when, of course, Coach ran a sale on some bags that I already had and paid full price for. But this time, you ain't getting me today, girl. I got this one on sale. Yes, Coach, I got you. I'm taking money home today. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. I will see you back here tomorrow. And listen, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, I don't have much to say at the end of this video. I want to apologize for actually showing you parts of my body that you probably didn't want to see. I didn't even want to see it. I haven't tried this thing on any other sensitive areas on my body, but I think it would be okay. Yeah, there's a couple places I can think of that I did not try it yet, but I'm kind of interested to find out. But then again, I have to use the unit on my face, so guys, this is the best time for me to buy another one, because I'll buy one and get one. So it'd be so smart to buy one and then get the free one and use it on other areas, and then keep the one for... You guys get what I'm saying, right? Okay, God. New wall, less hairy, new me. Yes, biatch.